Our new DolMo-Telescope, precision from a safe distance, for measurements in nuclear power plants, civil defense, or of checking of incoming goods. Our DolMo-Telescope enables precise measurements from a safe distance. Hello and welcome to our new product video. Today I'd like to introduce you to our new DolMo-Telescope. It features a telescopic pole made of carbon fiber, making the complete system weight just above 2 kg. And it extends to up to 4 meters. Thanks to a wide shoulder strap, the telescope is very comfortable to carry. I've adjusted the strap mounts so I can hold the complete telescope with only one hand. But they can be customized for each user. Our design also considers easy repairability. If the telescope is damaged, individual components can be replaced, such as specific elements of the telescope, the display unit or the probe itself. And the best part, you can use the DolMo-Telescope with 3 different kinds of detectors. We offer classic Geiger-Müller detectors, highly sensitive sodium iodide detectors and probes with thin layer plastic scintillation detectors for detecting alpha and/or beta-gamma contamination. On top, we are working on new simulation probes that can be attached to the telescope as well. The key advantage of a telescopic probe is that I can take measurements from up to 4 meters away, drastically reducing my radiation dose. Doubling the distance from the source reduces the dose to a quarter. That means if I spend 1 hour at a close distance of 1 meter to a radioactive source of, let's say, 1.1 gigabecquerel of cesium-137, I would receive a dose of approximately 100 microsieverts. In 2 meters, only 25, at 3 meters, about 11, and at 4 meter distance, just 6 microsievert. You can also lower your dose by spending less time near the source, measuring from behind a wall or deactivating the source if that's an option at all. If I expect to measure high dose rates, I usually go with a classical Geiger-Müller detector. They can measure from a few microsieverts up to several sieverts per hour. Typical applications include inspection of tank storage or pipelines, or locating the exact source of radiation after an accident. Even for low dose rates, using a telescope can be a good idea. In waste incineration and scrapyards, gamma portal monitors are used. They react to the slightest variations in background levels. Here I would recommend sodium iodide probes. They are much more sensitive to smaller dose rate changes. Compared to classical Geiger-Müller detectors, sodium iodide probes are 500 to 1000 times more sensitive. If a radiation source is shielded, for example, by scrap or the other materials, you will need such a probe. Otherwise, a source might easily be overlooked. In addition to the right detector, a systematic approach is essential to find even small sources. I would go slowly towards a container and keep an eye on the readings. I would take readings at every corner and also in the middle of each side, every time from top to bottom. This way you can systematically zero in on the source's location. And just as a hint, ask the driver if he has been to a treatment in the nuclear medicine department. Patients treated with radiopharmaceuticals can still trigger alarms even days later. And no, you are not radioactive after an X-ray scan. As a third option, you can use a thin layer plastic scintillation detector for detecting alpha and/or beta-gamma contamination. Here we offer our pipe detectors. These are perfect for checking the inside of pipelines, for example for norm contamination. You can choose between the DolMo 0 and the DolMo 1 or 2 models with integrated Geiger-Müller tubes. With DolMo 1 and DolMo 2 you can switch at the push of a button between the readings of the external probe and the dose rate directly at the DolMo. Additionally, the DolMo can display the cumulative dose if enabled in the main menu. Last but not least, the newest version of the DolMo can also be connected to a tablet to store measurement values, pictures and even GPS coordinates. To summarize, our new DolMo's benefits are its low weight of just over 2 kg and its length of 4 meters. It has a robust design and it's ergonomic and it's easy to fix. For more information, visit our website and thank you for watching our video.